How to block games on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, keep scrolling down to find Screen Time and tap on it. Screen Time shows you the specific usage per day, and you also see your daily average usage at the top. From here, under the Limit Usage section, select App Limits to set time restrictions for specific applications. Now, tap on Add Limit. A pop-up with a category of apps will open up. Select the Games category to apply a limit to all gaming apps at once, then tap Next. To effectively block games, set the time limit to either the minimum or your preferred duration. I am setting it to 1 minute per day. Finally, tap Add in the top right corner to save the setting. All games will now be blocked after 1 minute of use each day. Following these steps, you can easily block all games on an iPhone.